Smile Sunday, dear friends. A very happy Sunday to you. This last week, surprisingly, I have quite a few patients who have been complaining of pain due to kidney stones. Removing kidney stones through acupuncture has been my forte from a very long time. So I thought, let me explain to you about kidney stones. See, when it is an emergency, then you have to visit a doctor, your medical doctor, your homeopath, your acupuncturist, who can do wonders and remove your stones. I hope surgery is not required, because this is a problem where it's a recurring thing. Some people have tendency of kidney stones. So how many times would you get the surgery done? That is the main issue. So dear friends, if it's an emergency, please do contact your doctor. And if you have a tendency to having kidney stones, I'd like to give you a few remedies. Basically, when the water content in our body is not normal, when it is lesser, then the minerals in the body combine and form stones, whether it is sodium, whether it is phosphate, whether it is calcium. So keeping the body hydrated is very important. One thing is that we must have enough of water. You must be hearing this all the time. But there are certain people who do not get the thirst, do not have the desire to drink water. So for such people, I would suggest that, make a routine that first thing in the morning, I have to have, a liter of water, 1.5 liter of water. People who have the tendency of kidney stones can dissolve a teaspoon or two of apple cider vinegar and have it with water. That would help. They could have lemon juice every day on a routine basis. They could have all water fruits, especially watermelon. They could have cucumbers, pineapples, anything which coconut water which has a lot of water content. Increasing the amount of vegetable you eat helps in our good health all the time. It's really good. But if kidney stones are there, then definitely it will be an added advantage if you eat a lot of vegetables. If you eat a lot of salad, it will definitely help. Now in homeopathy, there are quite a few medicines. Once again, I would suggest that when there's an emergency, you please contact your homeopath, your doctor. But certain medicines could be like a help when you understand that homeopathy is effective. There's a medicine called China. Now China 30 could be taken 2 drops 3 times a day for a month, maybe once in 6 months. Berberis vulgaris Q, that is the mother tincture, could be taken, say a teaspoon in a glass of water. You can take it for a month and leave it. So it would definitely help. Medhorinum 200, once again 2 drops, maybe at night for quite some time. Maybe a month in a year or twice a year would help. Friends, people worry that they get up in the night to go to urination. But it's very important that we drink a glass of water an hour after dinner and maybe once again before going to sleep. Because, if once in the middle of the night we get up and urinate, so the condensation of urine doesn't happen, so the crystallization doesn't happen. A lot of people ask me that since they have stones, should they stop eating tomatoes and spinach and calcium related foods? So calcium related foods you must definitely continue to have, because there are other parts of the body, the bones, which require calcium. But yes, spinach and tomatoes you can reduce the quantity. As for the supplements, you have to again, calcium supplements, you have to again contact your doctor. Maybe take a blood test to know what are your calcium levels and then take the supplements. Now for the acupressure point. In Sujok therapy, this is the area which relates to kidney. If we take our finger between the 2 metacarpal bones, it will stop somewhere here because the 2 bones join here. So this is your right kidney. And when we, between the little finger and the ring finger, again if we take our finger, so this is the left kidney. So if we give pressure here, give it a nice pressure. Some people would ask how much time. Just give it for a little while. You can do it 2-3 times a day. You can even stick rajma beans, which are similar to kidneys, with the paper tape. That is what we do in Sujok. So I think this is enough for today. Health is in your hands. These are your kidneys. Drink a lot of water. Keep yourself hydrated, because we are sweating a lot in the summer season. So please drink water. Good day to you. Bye-bye.